Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get paid at least $2 or more per click. And this is CPA marketing tutorial. Now, there are so many different ways that you can make money online, and this one has got to be one of the easiest methods that you can use because you don't even have to sell anything. You literally just get people that are interested in the product, click on a link, and then you get paid if they submit their email address or their phone number or even a zip code address or anything like that. They just enter in one little piece of information, answer a couple questions. They don't even buy anything, and you get paid, and it really adds up because you're not having them pull out their credit cards or buy anything. So we're going to go over how you can actually put this into use, and it's not going to be rehashed information. Now, the concept has been used before on other tutorials, I'm sure, but I'm going to be putting my own unique spin on this that's going to actually take you on a realistic path to make money with this, so you can actually be more evergreen about this and actually provide quality content on a daily basis to people so that you'll be able to actually make progress in your business and not just go out and spam the internet and then get your accounts shut down. So I won't be teaching that in this video. I will teach you a real method to get real traffic to these offers. So let's jump in real quick. In a recent poll, I asked you how much money you make online. I received 176 votes, and an overwhelming 61% said they make $0 and they are still trying. I want you to believe that it is possible to start making money online. You can build a real business online, but you must know where to start. Here are some of my affiliate commissions over the last 30 days on multiple platforms. You can see it's over $11,000. Click the first link in the description to get started on this journey for free and finally get serious. Now back to the video. So the strategy is going to be 5 simple steps. We're going to first start up and I'm going to show you how to sign up to the CPA platform. Then we'll look at this in a minute and I'll show you the dashboard and what a CPA platform we're going to use for this. But there are so many different CPA platforms. We're going to be looking at one of them today, but it doesn't mean that this is the end all be all or the only one that we look at. You're going to want to use any one that you're comfortable with. And we're going to be looking at that. So you just need to grab a CPA offer from a reputable platform. Okay. So number 2, pick out an offer that is in your niche. So there's so many different niches, right? Hundreds of niches you can go into. We can go and find one that's closely related to it, and then we can actually go out there. So this isn't going to be promoting PlayStations or Amazon gift cards, which that stuff can work. It depends on what channel, YouTube channel or website you have. Those will work, but those are your typical big generalized offers, right, that almost appeal to anybody. But we're going to get specific on this one, right? Okay, so utilize a reputable long-term traffic strategy to promote your offer. This is a really important piece right here because most people that are making videos like this, they're not teaching this. They're teaching how you can go out and get a quick win today, kind of go and cheat the system, maybe use a social media platform like Reddit or something like that. But we all know that those strategies actually don't work. If you're not building a real audience, you're not going to make money on a daily basis. You're also going to get your account banned by going and spamming your link all over the place. You're just going to get shut down. It really doesn't work. And so there's people that have actually done tests where they've put out, hundreds of answers and questions on Twitter, and they spent over 8 hours in one day, and they did get clicks. They didn't make any sales, anything like that. So, I mean, it really is hard to go out there on just a single platform like Twitter or Reddit and just start blasting your links all over the place and to actually make money. That really isn't going to work. So I'm not going to teach that to you in this video and blow smoke up, blow smoke at you, right? I'm going to teach you the way that I would go about doing CPA marketing the real and right way. Okay. So number 4, create evergreen content daily to start driving real organic clicks. If anybody's teaching anything different than that, then they are just cheating you and they are not being honest with you. This is how, if you guys really want to make money online, you're going to have to pick a niche and start creating real valuable content and helping people. The more you help people in this business, the more money you make. It's simple as that. So number 5, simple. The simplest part of the process is rinse and repeat the process. Okay, so let's jump into the strategy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to this site called cpagrip.com. We're going to click on that. Here is what the homepage looks like at CPA Grip. You can get all kinds of information. You can see I'm already logged into my account right there. You can go read all about it and the analytics and the different tools that you have on this site. But this is a very reputable site because if we come over here and we use our SimilarWeb tool, you're going to see that they get over 1 million monthly visitors to this site, and people are spending over 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes on the site. So that's how you can tell if this is a real website or not. Okay. And then we come in here, and once you sign up, you're going to go just push the register button, sign up, come in here to the dashboard. But before that, they're going to actually, before they let you use your account, you're going to actually go over here. You're going to see that it says your account has been approved right here. Boom. Okay. So we're going to come back over here, and you can see right here, it's kind of neat because they have people posting how much money they're making, $8,000 all time with 4,000 leads. $43 today right here, 736 views, 357 clicks, 19 leads, right? So this right here is just a really good way. $500 right there, 30 bucks right there. This is how you know that it's real people. Look, I mean, who brags about making $3 in one day? Well, on this system, you share how much money you're making. You've got all kinds of different levels of people right here. $3 yesterday for that person, $24 so far today right here. And it just keeps going. You can look over here. This person right here has earned $30,000 with 18,000 leads right there. And the cool part is that you're not even making sales. You're just sending traffic. You're just sending traffic, telling people about your offer, right? Look at all this money to be made. 21,000, 13,000 there, and $122,000 all time right here. So you can definitely make money, and it just keeps going and going and going, right? Okay, so I just signed up to this site, and I'm going to be testing this out as well. You're going to get an account manager right here, which is cool. That's how you know this is serious. I can email them, I can Skype them, and I can chat with them on Skype if I want to. You're going to have to go and update your tax information, right? In your country, different taxes are paid differently. And then you're also going to have to update how you want them to pay you. Okay. So once you got all the housekeeping stuff set up, then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the offer tools. Now we're going to come over to the offer tools, and then I'm going to say my offers. Okay. So the first step that you're going to really need to get into after you sign up. Now you have all these different offers over here. Now I know that one of the biggest questions that I'll get, well, this doesn't work in my country. I'm from Nigeria. How this doesn't work? Look at all those United States offers. It only works in the US. No, you actually need to come up here. If you're from another country, then you need to come over here, like right here, South Africa, click on South Africa. And then you're going to see all these different offers right here specifically for your country, right? And even coming up here, and there is a Nigeria. So we can go here to Nigeria. There's even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 offers in Nigeria. So this will work in virtually any country across the world. You just need to make sure that you're in your country. It defaults to all countries. I'm going to go make sure United States because that is the country that I live in. All right, so you can come over here and you can look at all these different offers. Now we can come up here to payouts, and I'm going to sort from the highest to the lowest. And then I start looking through here, right? So we have PayPal. This is a very general offer. If you have a pretty general channel, like YouTube channel or website, then you could test out these different offers and see what converts the best, right? So I'm not saying to stay away from these offers, but giving away Coca-Cola. If you're talking about, if you have a food-based niche website or YouTube channel, then this Coca-Cola offer would work really well. If you're in the video games niche, this is a perfect way to get Fall Guy on PS4 now. Now the PS5 is out, so I probably would avoid the PS4. I would want to be selling the latest softwares or gaming systems. So I would probably go after the Nintendo Switch at least, or the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox One or something like that. Okay. So then we just keep coming through here. And then what I'm going to do is find one over here. This one really stood out to me. Look at this. So it's a act now for a $500 Wayfair gift card. Okay. I like this one. You're going to get paid $2.05 for this one, right? and you have an average network-wide conversion rate, okay? So it basically means that if you go through and right here, you're getting about a 3% click. So if you send 100 clicks, you're going to get 3% of them to sign up, right? So you're going to make about $6. Now, this strategy is definitely going to be a strategy that works for massive volume of traffic, right? If you have a channel, this works really well if you have like for example, a YouTube channel in the pranking niche or the video game niche or something like that, because those channels are hard to monetize, right? They don't get a lot of money from the YouTube monetization. No one's putting up ads for that stuff. So it's harder to monetize, but they're getting millions of views, right? So do the math on 3% on a million views per upload. You have all these different really popular gamers like Unspeakable and Preston, Beckbro Jack, all these guys that are getting, millions of views for the last decade on their channel. And they could drop a link right here in their description and make a bunch of money. Okay. So that's what you're going to want to do. It depends on what niche you're in, but right here. So we go to Wayfair right here. Boom. We click on that. And then you get all this information right here, right? So you can grab your link right here, right? And I recommend going and using a link shortener to shorten this, right? I'm not going to teach you how to do that. I'm sure you guys already know how to do that, but you're going to copy your link, okay? So you're going to copy your link. You're going to go and get a link cloaker or link shortener and not use this exact link. But this is going to tell you how many clicks you have, how many leads, and the revenue that you've earned on this offer. Okay. So you're going to copy that link. You already get your link and everything. I just signed up like 15 minutes ago and I'm already able to use this, right? This offer is only allowed on mobile devices. So you're going to get some people on desktops that click this stuff, but you're going to be able to, like right over here, you have desktop only, mobile, and hopefully we can find one that has all. But so we're going to go with the Wayfair. And why would I go with the Wayfair? What is Wayfair? Okay, so we go over here to Wayfair's website. Well, Wayfair is a place that you can get furniture online. It's a massive hub like an Amazon to get furniture and all kinds of stuff for your house. Okay, they even have a pet niche right here. Appliances. They sell almost everything related to a house, right? We come over here. I also like to look at how many visitors they get. Well, they're getting almost 100 million people coming to their site. And it's very consistent. You can see the trend right here. And they have a good bounce rate and pages per visit, 6 pages per visit, 5 minutes on average people are staying. So a very passionate audience that the Wayfair has. They're ranked number 86 in the country and worldwide, the 300th most popular website on earth. Pretty darn cool, right? So how are we going to use this site, right? We're giving away a coupon for $500, which can entice a lot of people to go ahead and sign up. Yeah, I want a $500 gift card just for filling out 3 questions or something like that, right? So you can come over here. You can sort by all kinds of stuff right here. I went to home improvement, and then you can go over to like all kinds of like, kitchen tile, air conditioners, toilets, showers and tubs. And I went to, let's see, I want to go to organization. Where is that at? I found it a little while ago. Oh, it's up. Actually, it's a parent category, organization, right? So you go to organization and then there's closet systems, workbenches, storage ottomans, you have garage organization. And I have a YouTube channel that I have sold a lot of stuff on Amazon with. And so what you would do is just find one of these parent ones, make an organization YouTube channel. Then you can come in here and you could start doing reviews on Fast Track 96 with Closet System. Look at this, it has 74 reviews. People are going to click on this right here. They're going to go check this out. And then they're also going to want to go and possibly see a review. So if you put together a really good YouTube review on this, then there's a good chance you're going to rank at the top of YouTube for this, right? We could actually check this out. Fast Track 96 with Closet System Starter Kit. Boom. I'm going to search on YouTube right here. And here is the Rubbermaid Fast Track Closet Kit, and it got 42,000 views a year ago. Here's Fast Track again, right? So people are searching for this. It's getting 100,000 views there. It's getting 42,000 views there. It's getting 4,000 views there. and so forth, right? So there's room to go out and put another video together, and you can use the manufacturer's video and pictures and all that to come up with your own video, or you can hire this out, outsource this on Fiverr for someone to go out and create a video for you, right? So you have this right here. You could put a top 5 together. You could start creating content. You can do specific reviews on these products, right? And then just put your link in the description. You can put a link to Wayfair, sign up as an affiliate to Wayfair, and then also put a link, get 500 free $500 coupon to Wayfair, and put that link right with it, right? So you have 2 chances each time you create a video to make money from it. Okay. And then another thing you can do is some more niche research from the really highest level closet organization. And you can see right here, 1.6 million views. Subscribers is 1 million, 163,000 subscribers there. But look at the views, 300,000 views, 1 million views, and so forth. But here is kind of like a gateway video. Top Essentials has only 5,000 subscribers. They're getting 100,000 views on here. And I like to go, and this is just Amazon Closet Organization must-haves. So what you could put together is Wayfair Closet Organization must-haves or something like that, right? I'm going to go because this subscriber and this channel stands out to me. So I'll go Top Essentials, and then I'll go videos right here. And you can see that they got 5,000 subscribers, and they only have 2, 4, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 videos. So they only have 20 videos. They got 5,000 subscribers, and you can see like what they're doing. 3 weeks ago, they uploaded one Amazon Home Finds must-haves with links, TikTok, and so forth, right? So you can go and find a channel like this to get video angles and ideas from. You can also create a niche website or do both, right? So look at all these different ideas, 10 small closet organization hacks that will transform your space. Create a video on this, and then you're going to go back over to CPA Grip. You're going to grab your link, and then you're going to go ahead and paste that in, right? So we click on right here to one of these. We're going to come down here, and you're going to put your link, like they're doing Bitly right here, right? So they're doing the exact same thing. We can click on here, Bitly. They're going to take us to an offer. Okay, so that link is broken. So you're going to put your link in right here, and people are going to click on it. And then the next time you come to CPA Grip, you're going to see stats right here, and you're going to have revenue in your pocket. So that's the strategy, right, guys? It's not about going to Twitter, Facebook, and spamming the hell out of the system. You're going to get your account banned. You're going to get your links banned. But if you do this right and you offer value, right? If you come back and you offer value and do all kinds of keyword research for your niche, then like I said, this is just an example. You can do closet organization, but you can also go out and do any other niche and just find a closely related product inside of here, right? You're going to find all kinds of different stuff like cleaning products, right? If you have products or a channel that gives away products, or you talk about how to clean your house or something like that, then you're going to have this right here as well. So copy a link, come over here and see what this one's all about as well. Boom. And people just going to put their email address in, push continue, and then you're going to make money. Okay. So that's it for this strategy. If you want to take your online business to the next level, then check out my courses on how I make money daily online. The link is in the description. I've got PLR Profits Academy, I've got Fiverr Profits Academy, and I've got Small YouTube Big Profits. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to click the first link in the description to get the free training which teaches you how to start an online business. If you got value from today's video, consider hitting that like button and dropping a comment below. See you next time.